Howdy, Eric with Retro Rides. I got an update. It's been about 2 years now since we pulled the plug or paused on a C10 project here a while back. Actually, a twofer. We got a cab over here that we got back from Metalworks. Got dipped. See ya. Got John's. Do a burnout. No, don't do a burnout. No burnouts here. Don't do burnouts here. Let's go. No burnout. Do not condone burnout. We got this one back from Metalworks here. Literally been a couple years now. This particular customer we've done a water rigs for. He's a big C10 guy. So this particular one we decided to throw in the mix, and we already smoothed the firewall for vintage air. Got rid of all the unnecessary holes. So a lot of work's been into this thing. Floor pans, rockers, all that stuff that needs to be addressed, we take care of. I went off to Metalworks, got dipped on the bare metal. So at this point, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to this one right here, C10. We're gonna do a cab swap on it. This cab actually goes to the original chassis. It's a long story. We were gonna do a full chassis on that one. What we're gonna do is cab swap it. This one here is almost ready for paint. Swap it on there. Finished bodywork and everything. Got a whole bunch of sheet metal here, new stuff, so you know it doesn't fit. So we're gonna do all the fit work on that, get it all prepped, painted, and the chassis is coming apart. We got a full Ridetech suspension, so coilovers, upper lower control arms, rear trailing arm set up on it, Wilwood brakes. We got a Dutchman rear end for this thing. We have piles and piles of parts. It's good to get back on this. Oh, we also have a GM Performance LS3. So those have been hard to get for a long time. So 525 setup, 6-speed auto, kind of standard around here, but they've been hard to get. So it's back. Looking forward to getting rolling on this thing again. Stick with us. Get the sucker knocked out.
All right, here we are with Clem's. This is a previous customer that we've done quite a bit of work with. Went to his house this last week, picked up his C10 cab. I am just going through and filling up any pinholes before it goes to bodywork and it gets sanded down, epoxied, and then primed and ready for bodywork. So we've filled a lot of holes in the firewall, done some repair work in the floor, and then after it gets dipped, it kind of thins out some of the sheet metal and metal work. So right now, finished up the firewall here and just going back and smoothing it out, cleaning up my welds. Excuse me, and then I'll get started on the floor here. You can swing around here and take a look. But I've got some work right in here that I'm gonna repair, and right back here in the cab there's quite a bit going on. We actually did some metal work on this. New cab corners went on in the back of this cab, but then again, like I said, after the dip it thins out some of the welds where they were sanded down, and so I'll come back and reinforce that and get those cleaned up. This one also had a radio tray put in it. I can't remember who did that or when that happened, but there's a radio tray in there. Like I said, smooth firewall will fit the AC, get the brackets welded in, mounted, and kind of just do some prep before it goes over to bodywork.
clean and shiny. And then we'll come through and we'll hand scuff all the nooks and crannies. Make sure it's all good to go. Kind of coming in here with a wire wheel and catching anything I can. Save my fingers. And then we'll go through with acetone and Scotch-Brite, scuff everything off. That'll help us A, clean the metal, and B, get in any of this, these last little spots where the coating from the dipping is still on there. So I'm stoked to see this moving along again. Back to the shop and moving. So we're gonna get this thing epoxied, and then we'll start making sure we got the doors pretty much ready. You see one over there. Got the hinges all good to go. So we're gonna try and start hanging sheet metal on this thing, getting it all fit and ready to get locked down for body work.
Yesterday I primed the cab, the doors, firewall, the hood. Today I'm putting the doors on. I got the other door put on. Just got done putting on this door. The gaps are pretty nice for and not being panel gapped or anything yet. But yeah, I mean we're gonna probably put the hood, maybe put the hood on in the fenders. And that will be it for at least maybe a couple weeks with a Clem's truck. We'll get back to it again.